Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to use your S Pen to instantly translate words on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can basically hover your S Pen over any text, like a menu, website, image, or maybe through your camera as well. And you can tap the translate tool and get instant word or phrase translation on screen. So let me show you how to do this. So there are two ways. So first, we can go ahead and open up Google Chrome, or let's say a WhatsApp. And let's say, for example, you got this image here which someone has sent you. So here, as you know, on the left this is Spanish, on the right this is English, so you guys know what I'm translating. So as an example, we'll go ahead and bring out our S Pen. So now once we removed our S Pen, you'll see this air command. Go ahead and find the translate icon. If you cannot find it, you can go ahead and tap on the plus sign, and you can go ahead and add the translate icon from here, which is right here. Go ahead and add it. Next, press home. Now go ahead and open up your Google Chrome, open up the air command, tap on translate. Now go ahead and hover your S Pen over the item which you want to translate. So as you can see, hola, as you can see, it's good morning, good afternoon, how are you, and so on. So you can basically just go ahead and hover over it, and this will basically show you what it is. So this is great for travel. You can learn new language fast, and it doesn't interrupt your flow. You can just hover and learn along. So there you go, guys. That is how to use the S Pen to instantly translate word on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.